Hello, guys. Nice to meet you all. I'm Pedro Targueta. I'm 28 years old, and I am a industrial engineer. And I'm gonna show you a little bit about my work. I work with Power BI and also Metabase, which are both tools that help us doing and creating good dashboards and visualizations and analysis. So let's check it out. Hello and welcome back. This dashboard that I've created to show you a little bit of what I do. So basically we have here sales per day, total amount, forms of payments, purchase by states, gender proportion, and also customers age per sales. To calculate this last one, I needed to do some transformations as creating here in the DAX the age column, which I used the data diff function to calculate the ages of those people. When I finally get those ages, I put it here in the dashboard, and that's how I did it. So basically, this is a little dashboard that I've created to you, and that's it.